In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to Apple Watch Series 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to receive WhatsApp notifications directly on your Apple Watch Series 9 and allowing you to reply directly to the watch. Something that I need to make very clear is that there is no dedicated application designed for your watch, so you will not be able to simply go into the App Store and download WhatsApp for your Apple Watch. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is officially recommended by the developers of WhatsApp, so you can find this on their official support page as well if you wish. So for this method, you need to enable notifications on your iPhone and your watch alongside your WhatsApp settings as well. So first, I would recommend going over to the iPhone settings and enabling notifications. So double check to see if you can receive notifications on your watch. Make sure that you enable this for both your iPhone and the watch itself. And then on WhatsApp itself, so you open the application for WhatsApp, you go into the settings by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you enable notifications at the top as well. Once notifications have been enabled for your watch, your iPhone, and WhatsApp itself, the last thing to do is to go into the Apple Watch application, and once again, you can find notification options. You need to make sure that WhatsApp notifications are being mirrored to your Apple Watch, so double check to see if WhatsApp has permissions to send over notifications and mirror them as needed. With this done, you are basically good to go. Like I said in the beginning of the video, because there is no dedicated application, all that you have to do now is wait until you get a notification from WhatsApp. So here is an example. You will see the full message, whoever sent it, and then the full contents, and then you will find the reply option. All that you have to do now is choose the option to reply. You will get the touchscreen keyboard, and you can type out your message to reply to this without having to open WhatsApp on your phone. So you can essentially connect both of these devices, but it is not through the traditional manner, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect WhatsApp to Apple Watch Series 9. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.